In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put personal blog in your Instagram bio. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process, the exact process on your iPhone or your computer too. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you come to this button right here and come to your profile. Then you will see this option at the top right corner, these three lines right here. You click on top and you need to click on the first option, settings. Click on settings. Then you will see several options, but the option that interests us is this one, account, okay, with this icon. So click on account, swipe down again, and you will see switch account type, okay. Click on top, and here you will see two options right here. In my case, is switch to personal account and creator account. But in your case, you need to switch to a business account. Here is not business account because my account is already a business account. So you need to switch to a business account and confirm your action very quickly and very easy. Then you come again to your profile and click on edit profile below professional dashboard. So click on edit profile, swipe down, and you will find category below page. So click on category and search for personal blog. So just write personal blog, click on top, and here is a very important part. You need to turn on this button right here, display on profile. So turn on this option, confirm your action again, and you will see that you already put personal blog on your Instagram bio. I hope I helped you on how to put personal blog in Instagram bio. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.